Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Rashida and I own a YCAP boot brand, and I also teach other business owners how to start and grow their businesses. So y'all, this is just gonna be a quick vlog for about my winter campaign. Not my winter, about my spring campaign. As y'all can see, I did set up my studio in here to start taking photos and do all of my photo shoots and everything like that for my Spill the Tea campaign. And we are about to open these samples, y'all. I am so freaking excited. I cannot believe I actually got my samples in. I didn't open them because I wanted to open them on camera and also film for Instagram opening these. I'm nervous, my heart beating fast, but we about to go ahead and open this box up. So for my, let me sit down. So for my Spill the Tea campaign, y'all know I wanted to, it's for spring, and I wanted to do just a bunch of colors, like, put y'all down, okay. I wanted to do a bunch of colors that's real fun, vibrant, pretty, girly. So this campaign, I did 5 colors, and we're gonna open them up together. And if they're not what I'm hoping that they will be, it's bad because these shoes are already finished. They finished and they're actually already on the way. So it's not no sampling. It's not no, oh, we got to go back to the drawing board. Whatever I'm about to pull out this box is actually what I got. So I really hope these shoes are on point. So we have, so this, oh, look at the box. The little mini 11-2 box. It's so cute. So I'm gonna pull up my board. I wish I would have brought my mood board here so I can show y'all exactly how you should plan out your mood boards when you're launching a campaign. It's really important to do mood boards, campaign boards, so that you can really pull your vision to life. And once you see these shoes, it'll make a lot of sense as to why my studio set is the way it is, and also like your wardrobe too. So I went down as far as doing my wardrobe as well. I always do my mood boards on Canva, and I'll print them out, and I also, you know, save some inspirations off of Pinterest as well, and I'll just go to Walgreens and print those pictures out and put them on a physical actual board than to just, you know, sometimes have it on my phone. But when I'm in throughout the day, I'll just pull up my Canva mood board and take a look at it. But I have a whole file of mood boards that I use for Canva, and I'm gonna show y'all. So this is my mood board. This is the mood board that I started when I first launched my why is it blurry like that? This is my mood board when I first did my studio. I don't know why it's all wonky. Maybe it's still loading. Okay, there it goes. So this was from a long time ago with the campaign that I launched, and this was everything that I bought. So I got all of this stuff from Amazon, and as you can see, I had to put ideas together to kind of bring my vision to life. And then I did this mood board for my other brand, Moray, where I sold dresses, and I bought that one to life. Like, it was so nice. This campaign was really black girl luxury vibes. This was my winter 2023 campaign. I did a set in here, like a winter wonderland theme. This is my Vogue campaign. That Vogue campaign did numbers. You hear me? Like, it was so amazing. I put all these photos together, determined how I wanted to take my pictures, how I wanted to do content. And this is what we're at. This is where we are now. So these colors have changed. I did not do all of these colors. I actually changed it up a bit, and I thought I updated it, but I did not. I did not. I actually did a mood board for my best friend for her Christian brand. So February, she's doing her Becca 2 and 2, write a vision, make it plain. This is her vision board that I did for her, so she can know how to do her content. Like, you see the people putting stuff on the board, writing the vision, making it plain. Like, you have to put this stuff together for you to be able to bring your visions to life. So this was my vision board for my spring campaign. You see, you got the picnic baskets back there, the flowers, everything that's on this board, I brought it to life over there. So now I just have to incorporate the shoes. Now, I'm so nervous. So I know how the purple ones look already because I have them over there, but I did make I did make some changes to the shoe, just a little bit to this part, but this is the shoe. So the style of this shoe around girls with wide feet, extra wide feet, is one of the problems that I've noticed in the fashion industry, not being able to cater to the girls with wide feet. So I wanted to create this shoe because I have another style that I dropped last year and the heel was high. So some of the things that my customer was saying, like, oh man, I want them but the heel is too high, or I need them to be wide feet friendly. So I put those suggestions that I heard from my audience and I put them into one shoe. So now we do not have a high heel and they are wide feet friendly. So this is perfect for a wide feet. And we do not have a heel. We have just a really cute clog style mule. So these are the lavender ones. And I have really nice names for them. So this is Lily. This one is named Lily. And then I'm nervous, y'all, because like I said, this is the first time I'm seeing these shoes too. So that one's Lily. The green one was green tea. So these are green. This is green tea. Oh my god. Okay, so this one's green tea. Y'all, if these shoes ugly, they're not gonna make it on this fucking YouTube. This is green tea. And I'm nervous because, I'm sorry, I'm rambling, but I'm nervous because there's nothing I can do about it. They're already done. These are cute. I love the color. I love the fucking color. Yes, green tea. This is green tea. Oh, I should call it matcha. Matcha. This is so cute. Love them. I freaking love these. I think they got the, I love these. Love them. Lily and green tea. Check. Love them. All right. So cute. And she did tell me they were cute. She was like, they're all pretty, because I did see the yellow ones that she sent me a picture. And I'd be wanting her to send me a picture of all of them, but she'd be forgetting. But so the next one we're going to do is Mimosa. Mimosa is the yellow one. This is Mimosa. I just saw the yellow ones on the picture, but I did not see them in person. Yes, Mimosa. Yeah, these are cute. Yes, ma'am. Yes, fucking ma'am. These are so cute. Excuse my language, I'm sorry, y'all, but these are so stinking cute. Yes, Mimosa. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I love them. I wanted to do the bright, fun colors. So we got green tea, Lily, and Mimosa. Boom. The pink one was called Berry. All right, this is Berry. I think I'm going to change that number. I don't know. I'm to my number. The colors. Oh yes, these are cute. A very fun soft pink. Yes. Oh, these are cute. She was so right. I kept telling her I really want to see them. She was like, friend, I promise you they are nice. Beautiful shoe. I love this. Oh my god. Okay, so that's berry. I really think we should change that color. That's not a berry. So I'm going to change the color of that shoe because that doesn't give berry. And the last one that we have, I do not have a color for this one because this was one I actually changed. I was actually supposed to do a tan color, which was going to be called Toast, and then the other one was going to be Honey, like an orange color. But I didn't even do those two colors. I ended up changing those two colors, the Honey and the Toast, to the, no, I did not. 6. Okay, so it was supposed to be 6 colors, but it's only 5 now. So I took away one and then I changed, I did blue instead. So I don't know what color, I don't know what I should name this one. So I like this, but I have to style this one for people to see it come to life. So this is one of those things, this is one of those shoes where they're like, oh my God, I like this, but what would I wear with it? That's what this shoe reminds me of, that people would say, but I just have to style it so that they can see how it's supposed to be styled. It's really, really cute, but it's going to take someone who really loves fashion to be able to pull this off. I know that I can pull it off and I can make this shoe look really, really cute, even with what I got on. The color is a little different on camera, look like, because this camera does the DJI that will wash you out. I use the DJI Pocket 3 for all my vlogs, y'all, if y'all are wondering. Will wash you out a bit, so the color is a little different on camera, but they're all still nice shoes. So that's it, y'all. I'm so excited. Right, look at my vision board, and I wish I could have gotten the other one from home. I took it home so I can work on it, but this is how this one looks. And as you can see, I have all the picnic themes here. This girl over here with her picnic, and I have soft, fun, floral, flirty, and this is my drop date, spring March 21st, 2025. So let me show y'all here. Excuse the boots. And I have to answer some customer service email, but here is how my set is going to look when I take pictures. So I know I'm going to get a lot of shots just like this, and I think that's going to be so cute on my website, like with the flowers like this in a way. I want to get a bunch of shots like this, overhead shots. And I have the bench there that I'm gonna take pictures, and I'm also going to rent this space out for Easter, and I'm gonna change up the scenery a little bit and add some Easter eggs and maybe an Easter bunny and things like that, so I can rent it out for Easter photos for the kids. But this is the set for those shoes. So y'all let me know. Tell me what y'all think. Did I nail it? But I can't wait to start taking photos. Now that I have my shoes, I can start taking pictures for my campaign, and I think I'm going to just go ahead and schedule that out for sometime next week to start taking pictures. I'm gonna do my hair. I got my dresses that I want to take the pictures in. They're actually in the car, and I need to get them out. So they're actually in the car, and I'm gonna get those out. And yeah, I love the colors. I love the colors. I think my favorite is definitely the green tea. I think my favorite is the green tea for sure. So yeah, we're gonna get those done. I actually have to answer some customer service emails. I have an issue that I need to resolve really quick. I received the email from a customer saying that she's been reaching out to me several times, and she's being ignored. And I'm like, and I was looking like, how are you being ignored? And for whatever reason, I finally got this notification. She sent a message through Shopify Inbox, and I'm like, I didn't even know that they can do that. Like, son, I'm gonna have to call her and let her know, like, I wasn't ignoring you. You're just sending messages to the wrong place. So I'm still lost about that. Like, why? I wasn't ignoring her. She was just sending it the wrong place. That's it, y'all. For my spring campaign and everything. But I'm definitely gonna vlog the entire process, me taking photos, getting dressed, all that stuff, so y'all can see exactly how I planned all this stuff out. All of those shoes have been shipped. They are on the boat and on the way to me right now. So when March 21st get here, I'll have every single box of shoes, and I'm so excited about that. I'm so happy about that, y'all, that I planned out ahead of time. And oh, y'all understand how good that feels. That feels so freaking good to be able to have done that. But thank y'all so much for watching. I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.